Hello. In this video, I will tell how to create Substance Painter switches. UV size is important to create a switches in Substance Painter. UV size of the fabric or leather area need to be same throughout the model. UV size is large means you will get a good and clear switches. If UV size is small means it will get a low res or pixelated switches. I will explain through the model. If I in this shell I give the UV size is large, so it shows clear and good quality switches. If UV size is small means it will not give that kind of quality. I will show the another model also. The UV size is too small, that's why the switches looks pixelated and in the low res quality also. So you need to give a maximum UV space for the fabric or leather area to create switches. Second, we need to create a paint layer or the fill layer to create a switches, but the paint layer will not be recommended from our side, because if you create a paint layer to create a switches means you will not able to change the color, height and the material value after some time by quick way. It is a tedious process, so you need to I will explain. I create a switches with the paint layer means it is in the blue color. I need to change to red color means it is not able to suddenly change, because I need to go to add a paint anchor point or levels, all the things. But in the fill layer, I create a switches in white color, but I need to change to blue color means I easily can change in that. But in paint layer it will not be easy, but it can be done by creating anchor point and levels, but it is a time delaying process, so we recommend fill layer to create switches. And then after you know all the basics of switches, you need to paint and check which parameters that your model needs to be stitched. So you need to check whether which size and shape is fitted for your model. So just paint type stitches. Here you will get some type of stitches in that substance 19 itself. In 21 you will have so many stitches. I think it has some additional effects also. Check which one stitches small, stitches 1 through 3, all the things is having, each one having different quality, so you need to select which stitch is suitable for your particular model, and then just paint. Just paint which color and which size and spacing, all the things is suitable for your particular model. You need to check which size and the shape and all the things which is suitable for your particular model. After you get, and then only you need to stitch throughout the model. First of all, just check and paint through some areas of your model to select which is suitable for your particular model. And then after finding the particular parameters is suitable for your model, just create a preset. In properties, just right click and then create brush preset. This settings 0.9 and the spacing of 90 will be created for the brush preset. In that brush preset, if you click right click means you will be able to change to name. I will change it as stitches tutorial. If you created this brush preset means you are capable to easily edit after sometimes, after closing that this substance also you can able to use the brush preset. And then some tricks and helps for your stitches type is just this kind of model you need to stitch a line with a straight line, so just click and shift right click, it will go straight. Shift plus click will give you a straight path to create stitches. For curved areas like this, you need to not able to create stitches in the straight line, so use the lazy mouse tool in the top area. It will give some easy effect to create your stitches. In normal hand you are not able to create a stitches by straight and the curved area, but this lazy mouse will help you to create the particular stitches. To check the stitches is painted in the particular area only, you need to go to this mode, normal, height and mesh mode. In that mesh mode you will find this kind of patterns. Sometimes we wrongly painted to some other areas, so it will not shown in that area, you will check only in that part only. That kind of time you need to check the total model to whether you stitched in some other areas also. After that you finding, you just erase the area. After completing the stitches, total stitches, you need to create a paint another fill layer to give additional effect. This is stitches means I need to give some additional effect, means I am just duplicate the particular layer and just name as effect, and I changed my height value to the -4. In that paint itself I am just adding a filter called blur. In this blur area I am just having the height value only. You need to change the blur value, it is too high, that's why it not shown. This kind of bump type you will get after completing the stitches. It will create some additional effect also while completing throughout the model. This is all about how to create stitches in Substance Painter. Thank you.